Today I am going to show you a tutorial how to install Ubuntu from VMware Workstation. So let's get started. Open VMware Workstation Pro. Then select to create a new virtual machine. From here select typical recommended and then go to next. From here select to I will install the operating system later and then go to next. The guest operating system, choose Linux, and the version, there are many versions, you have to choose the Ubuntu 64-bit. Then select next. This is your virtual machine name and this is the virtual machine's location. Then press next. Here you have to type the maximum disk size, and if you want multiple files then you have to choose split virtual disk into multiple files, and if you want to store a single file, store visual disk as a single file. Select it and then go to next. This is the details of your virtual machine. You can from here customize hardware. From here go to network adapter and choose bridged, replicate physical network connection state, and then go to new CD DVD. From here use ISO image file and browse it. Choose the file and open it and close, then press to finish. Power on the virtual machine. So now your virtual machine is installing. It will take a while. Wait for some minutes. It will take some minutes to load the information. From here you have to choose the language according to your convenience and then press enter. If you want to update to the new installer, choose the update to new installer, or either you can press enter to continue without updating. From here press done. Press enter. From here you can type the proxy address, or either you can press to the done. This is the mirror address and press enter. Come to done and then press enter. Press enter. Come to continue and select it. Type your name, your server name, your username. Choose a password and then confirm it. Then come to done and press enter. Press done. Press done. Now it is installing the system. From there you can use your Ubuntu 64-bit. Thank you for watching the video.